Welcome back to this video, guys.
Quick video.
This is how to install rickfabbs fourth mount kit for your car. If you try to search this on YouTube, you really guys don't find any videos. Maybe SkittleFabs has a video.
The only thing with SkittleFabs is he has the engine off.
Yeah. You know what I mean? This is the way with the engine inside, you know. Yeah. But he has his transmission off, so that makes it easier. But anyway, this is a quick video. I hope you guys find this useful. It's gonna be short, but it's just a basic install video. We have the engine on the picker. The tranny is off because he's doing clutch work. Axles are out.
Exhaust is off.
And exhaust is off, so that's the only reason.
No downpipe.
This is quick. That would be quick. If you guys want to do it with all that stuff on, I don't know, man. It'd be kind of tough.
I don't even know if it's possible.
Yeah. So
that's why, like, I was already gonna have all this shit off, so I'm like, I might as well buy that fourth mount, you know?
Yeah.
Since I have.
So, if you guys do buy K-frame mount and do end up doing a clutch work at the same time, it'll be the best time you want to do that.
For sure.
Because it's gonna save you a lot of time and it's gonna be super easy. So, with that said, guys, we got our cherry picker. Remove the motor mount here, which you're not even gonna need this because you're eliminating this piece, this nasty bracket here, and it's supposed to eliminate the upper mount here. And the lowering mount, you could delete it if you want or keep it, no matter.
Well, you need it on when you're gonna weld your K-frame mount.
Yeah. Okay, so take the bolt off from the lower mount and upper mount here, and then the cherry picker, you wanna make sure you chain it up from the front end and one in the back end over there in that corner, so it won't tip or forward, you know. Once you go do that, you raise it a little bit. You raise it a little bit with the jack and just push it that way, you know. Since there's nothing here, you could push the engine to the right side. See how much space we got now? Look at that. I know. Full arm in there.
There was no space.
Yeah, so we're gonna end up changing the center mount here with an aftermarket
solid mount.
With the solid mount, and then take this bracket off. So you guys could get these parts straight from rickfabbs. The center mount here, and K-frame, which goes to the tranny section, and the fourth mount. He's already ripped, so that he wondered why his engine would just be shaking and stuff. It's a good thing that we did this, because if your car's this old, it's probably messed up.
It doesn't need to be connected up there?
Yeah. Mine was torn as hell too. So
see how it's tore up right there. It's not even connected to the top anymore.
Yeah, it's gonna cause a lot of vibration right there, guys.
So
thank God we did this right now.
I know.
If you guys can, guys, like, keep on top of your maintenance on these cars, you know. Since they're really older cars, I would update most of the things on it just to have it running 100, you know? But this video right here is teaching you guys how to install this. All right, let's get it. Next, now we're gonna end up removing this piece right here. So you got a bolt right here, see this one, and I think you have one here on your power steering. Let's find this video useful and helpful. Make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more SRT4 content.
Okay, so it's 1, 2.
Yeah.
Where's the third one? There's 4.
Remember?
Okay, and there's one over here too.
There's 4 there. And you just gotta take those 3 bolts off, which are gonna be, those 3 bolts is what's gonna mount that piece in there. So you guys will see right now. It's kind of tricky putting it in, but it's not that bad. Then you're gonna end up cutting a little piece from your timing cover here, just to make it fit.
15 millimeter.
This is a 15 millimeter.
3 of them.
3 bolts. You're not gonna use those bolts again. rickfabb gives you bolts for the mount, and then you gotta remove this one from the power steering right here. Bolt is off. I think we need one more. I think because of 2.
Where is it?
That one right there.
This one right here.
It has 2 bolts, I believe, on this OEM bracket, but you will only use 1 for the new bracket.
All right.
Pieces off. Simple. heavy ass bracket. So make sure you hold that thing good, or it's gonna fall to the floor.
It's fucking ugly as shit.
Straight iron right here.
Alright, so you're gonna have to slide this off the pulley because it gets jammed back here. So just gonna push it to the side and
yeah, just wiggle it out, guys. Look
at this ugly freaking. This thing's like 30 pounds.
Yeah, thing's heavy compared to that one.
Compared to that one.
Guys,
look at that.
Look at that, guys. Boom. If you guys haven't checked out my SRT4, I redid my whole engine bay. Make sure to check it out. Go to the channel, find it. It's white, minty engine bay. A lot of work done to that car. Barely got it running. And now we're trying to make this one clean as hell. The engine. I mean, it's clean already on the outside. But you guys look in the inside here. It needs some damn work.
Needs some work.
So you guys don't want to use the original bolts. Rickfabbs hooks you up with the bolts that are longer.
Yeah.
Probably better quality. So what you're gonna do now, fit that bracket into this place and bolt it. Not tight, but just bolt it in place to see where we're gonna cut. Because he's keeping his power steering. So you gotta tell that to rickfabbs, and he'll hook you up with this piece for the power steering, which is gonna be right here. It's gonna hook on. But this timing cover is gonna be blocking it, so we gotta cut it.
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying.
Alright guys, just find yourself some scissors that will cut through that plastic piece. But you're gonna cut like at least like an inch and a half. Give it a little bit of wiggle room. If Flacco's fancy, he's gonna go with the Dremel. If you can.
The thing is, if you can.
Alright guys, well now we got a cut. There you guys see it. The cut we made right there.
Not the prettiest.
But alright boys, this is it. Are you gonna put a Loctite on this?
You have to? Probably, huh?
Alright guys, if you guys have some Loctite, you guys could put some blue Loctite on it if you guys want. It's optional. Well, it's up to you guys. I'm not a professional to say yes or no.
I would. I mean, I want to get used to it.
Yeah. The hole, you don't have to go in too deep like we did. Maybe a half an inch in and you should be able to fit, but
yeah, that's way too deep.
Oh well, it is what it is. Let's go. If you guys are afraid to mess up in your own cars, subscribe to our channel because we'll do it for you guys. That's how we learn. Let's get it. So we got the mount in place. Now we're gonna bolt it up. It's gonna get pretty tight, so just bolt it as much as you can.
Did you this installed?
Okay, boys, we got it installed. There you guys have it. Look at that.
Now I gotta torque it.
Just go torque spec, which I'm trying to figure that out right now. Okay, guys, we're gonna go. We looked at the manual and we're 90% sure torque specs for these are, what is it? 45 foot-pounds. And then the bolts for their center mount over here gonna be,
how much?
It says 250 inch/pounds. And we're gonna try to figure that out. But yeah, guys, this is about done. You guys already tripping? But you guys can see the bracket's already mounted in there. Looks good. And now we're gonna put the frame out, bolt that up, and send it. Okay guys, we're about to install the center mount, the frame mount.
More Loctite?
Right there. And torque to what? 16 foot-pounds?
16 foot-pounds.
And you should call it good. Then we'll come back at you guys once we're ready to put this bracket onto the center mount.
Yes, sir.
Alright boys, center mount is on. Now we're just gonna remove the upper mount just to get it out of the way, and then align.
What do you mean the upper mount? This mount?
Align this hole to this hole. That hole. Bolt it up and call it good. And it comes that motor mount bolt comes with the package here from rickfabbs. So you get a new motor mount. Okay guys, we got this part removed here. Simple 2 bolts, size 18. Take them off. It's up to you guys if you guys want to cut that bolt off, you're not gonna use this bracket no more. Whatever's. But I end up shaving it all down in my engine bay. But then that's looking good today. Alright guys, so now we're gonna align the rail mount, center mount hole into the fourth mount bracket hole and then bolt it down. So we're gonna push it that way and just wiggle it in there and stuff. So we'll get back to you guys once we have it bolted up and ready to go. Let's get it, guys. Alright boys, job is complete. Snap of a finger. It took us about an hour and a half to get this job done, but we got it in. It looks badass, you know? It's because you get rid of all that ugliness. This is gone, this is gone. All you have to worry about is paint, body work, and it should be looking good. Probably polish the lines up, you know?
Or delete those.
So tell us what you guys think. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, smash the thumbs up button, comment down below. Let us know what you guys want to watch, what you guys are interested to bring into the channel. But like that said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this short how-to video on how to install this fourth mount bracket from rickfabbs. I'll make sure to put their link down below so you can hit them up. And like that, guys, your homie Flacco, Minty, stay safe, stay positive, have a great weekend, and we're out. Peace.